don't fight your brothers for you. I won't but trade wisely. Be wise, knowing fully well that you are even the target. In short, can you that of Igbo Kondo Bodo Nile? Obronguma, can you that of an Nguma claim money protect ala Alibo, Mane Buko, Obronguma. But all these securities are created now. Yeah, all these securities. Nigeria created seasonal Alibo. Obronguma can you this $600 billion offer with a 300 million allowance every month. Obronguma can you this offer Nebu Kola Alibo. Nebu Kola. In short, no get white proof, even community out. The whole Anambra.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, please take 1 minute of your time and watch this video to the end so that you understand what the Nigerian government are using the Igbo politicians, are using the Igbo governors to do to their people. So just take 1 minute of your time and listen to this our brother, because he finally explained and exposed so many things that we need to know. So all these Igbo youth are beggars. All these Igbo youth that are among Udogachi and Ebubago are the reason why our people are losing their life every day by day. Because Nigeria government have noticed that for you to capture Igbo people, for you to kill an Igbo man, is for you to use an Igbo man to kill an Igbo man. That is what they are doing, using our governors, Igbo governors, to destroy their own people. So just take 1 minute of your time and watch this video. After watching this video, do not forget to share and drop your opinion in the comment section. And if you know that your son or your daughter are among Udogachi or Ebubago, you better tell them to leave what they are doing, because they are not doing their job. Their job is to go inside the bush, capture, arrest Fulani herdsmen, arrest bandits, and do what they're supposed to do. But now they are not doing like that. They are looking for Biafra Salvation Army and the ESN to kill. My fellow Biafrans, we the youth need to wake up and do the needful. Please share this video and drop your comment, because it is very, very important. One love.
All right, my people. Greetings to everyone. So on a quick one. Video and not just a video, but here we have Basarabai and Nange very, very important in our brothers. But one of the different securities operate in Obodaya this time around. And help believe from that Nabaka Akon young man or both. And the enemy Obodaya now. When anything Obulabo, Apotrach and actual for the good of everybody. Not just for personal interest, or for personal interest. Oye Ndumazin and the Kalagagwe na Godeko was Rican and Dotia. Na Ele Kanga. Through the recent news secretary online now from the wife of ex-president Buhari. Buhari. Okay, for recent news, how many the amount of money dear of Nnamdi Kanu, but the demand decline here. Why? Billions of dollars, not in naira. Is it not up to 600 billion of dollars, not in naira, with monthly allowance of 300 million every month to be paid to Nnamdi Kanu, but still that man declined that offer. Why? Just for the freedom of you and I. For the freedom of you and I. It can be. They lose all the family here, parents here, plus 1 year. Look like forget your family go no more. Sacrifice yandoya. Reject ya a lot of offers. But Obrongo abu one working care. Obrongo abu one working care securities in Nigeria. Obrongoma in short, can you that of Igbo Kondo Bodo Nile? Obrongoma, can you that of an Nguma claim money protect ala Alibo? Mane Buko, Obrongoma. But all these securities are created now. Yeah? All these securities. Nigeria created seasonal Alibo. Obrongoma, can you this $600 billion offer with a 300 million allowance every month? Obrongoma, can you this offer Nebu Kola Alibo? Nebu Kola in short, no get white proof, even community out. The whole Anambra. But yet, Mato decline this offer for your good. Mato decline this offer for your good. Come on, you win. It can be. Not because of 150,000 naira monthly payment in Busirabwe. Chutancock. Une Busiriye. Na Luso Munogo. ọgụ ụmụnne ndị Yoruba achịgbuole na anyị n'ọchị, ndị Hausa achịgbuole na anyị n'ọchị, even ndị Fulani sef achịgbuole na anyị, ndị Fulani achịgbuole na anyị n'ọchị, ndị Igbo mba achịgbuole anyị n'ọchị. Onye mere anyị ihe? How do we get here? Ndị Igbo ele ihe anyị na-eme, biko na ele ihe anyị na-eme. Ndị Igbo ele ihe anyị na-eme maka obodo anyị na-agbazi m anya mmiri. Ele ihe anyị na-eme ndị Igbo. What are we doing? Ele ihe anyị na-eme. Ele onye mere anyị ihe ndị Igbo, ele onye mere anyị ihe. Ele ihe anyị jiri chọọ, ele ihe anyị jiri mee accept ka anyị dị ka ọnụ ndị ụwa na-aka anyị. Ndị Igbo ele ihe anyị jiri mee na accept ka anyị dị ka ọnụ ndị ụwa na-aka anyị. What is happening to us ndị Igbo? Is this a cause or what? Ndị Igbo, the ancient people, the beginning of human race, ndị Igbo na-amakwa ihe unu bụ. First of all, another secondary, ihe nwere ịgwa our brothers in the Udogashi and the Ebubago and all these things. Na-alụso ndị IPOB ọgụ. Yes, I call it in the IPOB. Because all the on this group, Ebubago and Udogashi. What is IPOB? IPOB is Igbos in general. Biafrans in general. Even you yourself, you are an IPOB. Indigenous people of Biafra. That is what the IPOB means. Indigenous people of Biafra. Meaning that the indigenous people of Biafra are the Igbos, generally. Then, if you are among all these Udogachi, Ebubago, Akodo, Aguna Chamber, all this group, you are working against. Why I said that you are working against IPOB, fighting against IPOB is that you are fighting against your people. Because ESN they are your people. They are your brothers. They are IPOB. Now, who are they? They are the securities of Biafrans. How the securities of Ndibo? Security Mazi Nnamdi Kanu created can protect thereby. Due to plans in the Longway. Due to plans in the to take over our land, to Islamize the Biafra land. Or with any other thing. Ndị America na-azụ maybe na-adịghị mma bụ ESN securities. Ọ bụrụ na enwere any other thing, and then bụrụ na enwere any person ọ metụtara. Anyị ji ma ahụ ndị Igbo niile, Biafrans as a whole, wee na-asụnụ gbagharanụ obi letuonụ. But achọrọ m ime ka unu mara sị that these people wepụtara onwe ha ka ha protect ala Igbo, na-akụ n'ihu agha na-agba egbe, risking their life. That they are no longer, they are trained not to be human anymore. They are trained to be war angels. They are trained to be battle angels. How do I think is it can they I think why we go to I think? Because they are trained to stay guided. Stay guided. Stay guided. If we need to know black no goes here. And do you get gem? Ihe ga-eme onwe gị bụ ugwe ga-akpa ihe onwe gị bụ anwakọrọ nwa gaa ije ga-emegide njem ha. Anwakọrọ nwa gaa ije ha nyere n'iwu si emepele. Because ime ihe, you are automatically a threat to them, a threat to survive, a threat to succeed in their mission. Anwakọrọ nwa, you say that you cannot keep their oaths and you cannot maintain their rules. Don't ever go to join them. If you join them and you open join ha mistakenly, in ihe na-adịrọ mma n'azụ, they will go against you. Amamu na-ewetara ebe nna ga. Ndị a na-adị echezi echiche ka isi eche. Ndị a na-ekele n'ugo ha, mmụọ ha ma n'obi ha na-adị echiche ha niile. Right now, ha very critical in thinking. Even your greetings, they will think about your greetings. Even the face ijiri wee kele ha ekele, ha ga-eche ya eche. Even for the fact na ịpụtacha ha n'ụzọ sef, ha ga-eche why? Because they are now instructed and trained to stay guided without loose guarding. Because every slight mistake had loose guarding might take their life. So no matter one neha, me po one neha, you put to neha, me put to neha, kindly respect yourself. Kindly respect yourself because so be had the quarter hammer, nahana lugogo, nahana lugogo, risking their life only for you to live to enjoy their struggle. They sacrifice the other one. They don't have any guarantee that they might even see the Biafra. But they will succeed to see the Biafra only by the grace of Chukwokike. But as a soldier, you are not going to sign to become a soldier, hoping that there is a guarantee you will survive. It is 50-50. You see that no matter if ESN security has everything, they can't form one. You will survive it. Like most of people, they flow, and I say, and they some of them cause to share one. Some of them cause to share one. Open good easy. I'm sorry, not that any of your family but a victim. But please First of all, understand what these people stand for. They are soldiers. They are fighting for freedom. They are fighting for freedom. Don't expect them to be 100% perfect. But what are soldiers? Soldiers, even soldiers, the guy each. Oh God, what are the what is the purpose of gun? It's to kill. Now, what depends is it killing or be using that in the job, or are you using your own to fight your own people? Are you using it the right way or illegally? Because but our brothers in the I still respect the fact that protect our labor. I still respect that. But because onye okwu egwu ya gara na-adata ego ya chejie. Onye okwu egwu ya gara na-adata ego ya chejie. Una fugo ihe mere n'Osumo. Una fugo ihe mere n'Osumo. Nke ga-abụ example igwu that na ndị nọ na luso dog awuri ya na mmadụ dịka unu. These people, what I want you people to know, first of all, ụmụnna anyị ndị agụ na-eche mba ebube agụ na the rest. Ọ bụrụ sị na unu masị na aka unu na obi unu dị ọcha n'ihe unu na-eme dịka ihe unu kwuru na this video. Ọ bụrụ sị na unu masị na obi unu dị ọcha and na ihe unu na-eme na obi unu dị ọcha that you people are doing the right thing n'ala Igbo. Na unu na-emere ndị Igbo ihe dị mma. Unu mara sị na unu megara ndị Igbo ihe dị mma. Na otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka unu mee. So otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka unu mee. Ana m asị unu akọntinu ihe unu na-eme. Akọntinu ihe unu na-eme. Ọ ịbụrụ unu mba. Enwe m the right to ịbụrụ unu mba. And I know I'm in any position ịgwa unu ihe unu ga-eme. But I just want clear conscience fears nothing. But actually, all of them ya make sure see that on the right path. No begin that you are right on this thing in mega. Now more may accept true. Now we see that you are confusing your own, like you are confusing yourself. Trying to make sense out of nothing. Trying to prove right out of wrong. You are trying. All man see that in you not the right. No is what they had for true. Achọrọ m unu weta ọjị gbara ụzọ anọ ma ọ wụ ịgara afọ ọjị wetara m akwa Igbo iweta akwa Igbo ohu pụta n'ala Igbo na alaba anyị ịzọdoro ụkwụ pụta na alaba anyị ịzọdoro ụkwụ ị na-ede ga na mgbaka anọ ị na-ede ga na mgbaka atọ bete pụta ịgwe ọvidio nọ na mbara ezi gị pụta were akwa ahụ elu n'anyanwụ ụtụtụ achọrọ m ka ikwu okwu si Chukwu okike abịa ma okwu anyị ala Igbo na-azọdo ụkwụ were arụ ọrụ na-arụ okwu ya si ha si that na ọ bụrụ si that na ihe ị na-eme na ndị ị na-eso na ọrụ unu na-arụ na ọ bụ ihe dị mma ama m na aghọta ihe na-ekwu na ọ bụ ihe dị mma ka unu na-eme na unu na-emere ndị Igbo ihe dị mma for you ka ihe unu na-eme ka ọ gaziere unu mana ọ bụrụ si that na njem a security usi unu na join isi na activities unu niile na ihe unu na-eme ma ndị na-akwado unu and the purpose eji create unu out of unfortunately not like from the beginning that this is something right to create even before the creation of ESN. Not like it is rightfully, but what due to ESN apota then unfortunately or those had unfortunate he create his own, he use his own as a tool, as an instrument. He fight ESN. Then no say that in like I said, you will like hell no process in activities to soon and everything. No, we had them. But no process activity to soon and the purpose they create soon and the sponsor then sponsor and activity to soon na Igbo. No me no do anything good for the Igbo people. Kono gra succeed in Niger. In short, okay, gradendo in the next 1 month. You must see that you can make this thing, and your conscience is telling you the truth that you are doing the right thing as a member of Ebubago and Udo, Gajakodo, Agunechemba and the rest. Actually, you made this thing. Then, if you succeed it, in short, all person who need to make this thing, all who need to make this thing from now to the end of next 2 months. Ono succeed there, put on a video in public. Oto se regalo sumogu. Put in public in video. Put on tell me video. Would you say na kwa no bula? You don't say na kwanaka made this video. Men kubioku. Ma wonye jo so ya jido onye jo chibara no ya jido chibara no. Because all the president ke ori afọ na nkwo. Ya jido chi odibara. Put on a video. Me put on na ni hu akwụkwọ. Men know this declaration. Then you know, from now to next 2 months, no survive warrior. More and they won't put up make the movement on before. But in Potakwa, after no mentioning him, one put up make the movement on no, no sorrow no man. and I will never try it again. When we made this thing in succeed here, I will never ever, I have never, and I will never come out. Kwoku, mo you na advice as omunem mobo kwoku pasra activity so. I will never try it. Because if you don't get from Nagwan Noku now, and the base without Kwanobi. I'm the one now controlling it, not for you to see it. Momu begets without Kwanobi in here and Ndibo. Ndibo li hemega yali by in a gen. Ndibo li by in a gen. What is happening to us? You know, we have them, you know, we have Golago. You know, we cause a couple guinea. Ndibo, Ndibo Bachibolo na inochi. Ndausa Chibolo na inochi. Fulani Sachibolo na inochi. What are we doing? I believe from Nano come woman on our war for. Ndibo, right from Ekumeku dance. Igbo, mbobole from Ndibo Bakotra. Ibunade, never deal with it. And don't dare come one in here. Ian de Rai corporate. Ndi Rai, sit from Omunai, our governor in the politics. Has it from them where matter how to capture Ndibo. Number one, from ego. And this very something must stop. Right from beginning, Nigeria, here didn't go where Ndibo. Here we have brother. Here bad blood. Here we mixture of evil blood with Ndibo here. Right from Ekumeku dance, our ancestors who had or below to obi. Opposite dot iringo, basanego. That's happened because of ego. No, the message. What can you make that time? I can't read near that time. I can no see that it's social group. Ne create social group. Make age make it Ekumeku dance. Ne create social securities. Age make it Ekumeku dance. But because the way it's not like this in that time, he have boy here Mandibo. And openly I see that ego, the love of money we here Mandibo. You have to stop it from today, or else more than a libo can make it. Evil blood, bad mixture of blood. Alota srin ali, but no more in that alota. Bad mixture of blood, bad asredu. Bad mixture of blood, bad asramota. I'm going to give you the tactics in the edges where and what Ndibo now. Okay, my hand British where West Africa enslaved. In Haji West Africa enslaved Christianity. And now, Fulani Sabella law. For that in here, in what Ndibo now boy here was rock waka, and a boy here was rabato. They cannot penetrate, they cannot succeed. Do you know what they have started to do now? I believe that most of you have seen it on social media. It's circulated it's circulated on social media, and they believe from none of you. Some of our brothers say that we are Igbo Muslims. Hana Ghana Nugu State, Hana Ghana Nambra State, Hana Ghana State. Apatana Lehele. The youth not that side, they get what I'm missing, check us some there, in short to make in short, that's Hana Kuku. Teach you his one lesson. I want it. And it's collecting our social media where many Chris. But before you could know it in a bad and don't and don't have a bosom with a woman, and then my and a home. You would have here was a religion, eh? I convince you. Abraham gave us a gawana, you went the heart of whom because how would the heart of wine? Or women on wine church. In 1 ministry today, 100 members, in short, 95 of whom wine. Now, if all these popular ministries in now today, for example, sorry, sir, but I want to use your own as an example. Evangelist Bukobi ministry, Zion ministry. Why not that church? Why I say today? That church had that. Because why members in that church, you 1,999,000. And don't why name him a church. Don't be it church or ministry. Because why you was Chineke will. The other in here a church. Or you can have a carry pastors. Then getting deceived. You understand? Then before you know it now, the tactics of religion can have the mind of our people first. We are not circulating now. Got so many places. That these people those evangelisms, those missionaries, you don't know that those people are Fulanis. These guards, like these guards, like even how taking a kunkum privately, they will behead you. They can behead you. They flew near the Quran. Not what is here, no Uruzo. Manomaya. Get each other. Natural can have the attention of no one, and they can have the attention of people. And before you could know it, when they were possessed, 50% of the buy. On a low, under, from under. And then another tactics hatch up the US on the buy. Because Eddie dreamed something about it. Can you see that those people? We are Islamic people of Igbo. We are Muslim Igbos. This and that. From where? From where? Elebos in our foundation. Elebos in our history. No anything like Muslim or Islamic faith in our history. What are we doing our people? Now another tactic is where the government teach where but he use the Igbo to fight Igbos because they believe that when the mind of Igbos come together, they can never defeat Igbos. Now he use the politics. We don't want the tactics. What is the tactics? Using Igbos against Igbos. Can't we see that our enemies are trying to destroy us before they will come for the real battle? The first struggle. How should that they cannot win over their France because the youth try but na ESN that time. We thought we would be na ESN that time. Now how matter see that with money the Nigeria government will go. Now Nigeria government will have funds. How matter see that with money they can buy the mind of most of them, and that is what they are doing. Now, how does it create a group out of us to fight us? He created the group now out of us. Do you think that these people have money? You don't know that this is a cause, or you must see that here we cause on them. Here we cause on them. You can win this evil might against their people. For example, if you go like right from the beginning, we created in the offer. If my guy before because they were 200,000 naira 150,000 naira when because he called that one again. I won't negative they were never in any contact, in any related as brothers before. Why? What is the cause? Your governor in that position now for you. Another governor, what will be your faith? What will be your stand? What will be what in who must say that you will never know the right thing? Men gone off but in a public, gone this your fault. Gone off. Then all we don't succeed there in the next 2 months. In short, on life. She wanted that one young again. But you know what will come next. You know what will come next. No, mistake. You know what will come next. Okay, before then I am do gachi attack. Now that was more. And when I tell nobody have any idea. Now how can no sumo? In that now these people cannot sumo. Nobody knows. People say that I'm not happy. Among them now cannot sumo with the ESN securities. Have you seen how peaceful these people are? Did you see any Osumo any person from Osumo coming to Facebook, coming on video in any social media to complain that ESN are destroying them, or that ESN are destroying them or disturbing them? Apart from when do doga shigreba hu na-ekwu rubbish, nonsense. Alone na abara by your own blood. Umunegi. Mbono gereba hu inwe idiri na idea self na ndị kanode. Imu onye kwurekwa aja anu ihe and otu mkpokwu na anapụta onye kwurekwu. Ọ na-ageba ahụ make a mouth kwuo ko sire gwo no balance egbe elu. Now what was the end? What was the outcome? Yes, we are brothers. But when we are onwe gị, if an enemy to your brother, you have automatically turned to an enemy. Until you reversed. Until you go. What is the problem? This energy when I fight one no, but why not use that energy for the freedom of your people? Why not use that energy for the freedom of your people? Why can't you do it? Is it because of the amount of money that are being paid to you guys? And you now suffer this anyway and suffer, not knowing that it's your children. You might not even succeed it, and then your children will carry the cost, will suffer the cost. No matter any amount, even though 100 million a month, it will never be useful to your children. Then on na-abịawe ihe a na-ebuchasị ka ala Igbo deto mma deto unu na-abịawe na-ekreti kwuru onwe unu ihe nna ama ya amakwala m ihe ọbụla unu metara n'isi unu na-ekreti onwe unu. Do you know what your generation is going to suffer from this? Do you know what your generation is going to suffer from this? Ndị ru akwụkwọ achọrọ m ịjụ unu before ndị agụleche mba aga n'Osumogu. Unu amasị that na ndị ESN ka nọ dị. Enwe na anụ metụ ha. Enwe na anụ na ha na-disturb. These people are very peaceful. These people are very peaceful and friendly. They are focused on their mission, on their job to bring freedom and to protect the land until these people are being taken by. Ya ka njire m video mere mgbe mgbụrụ nsiri ụnụ na ndị a dị achọ okwu kama ọ ndị Nigeria gọọmenti securities na-ebu ụzọ chọrọ okwu chọje ha. Ọ ha na-eburu okwu na ụka butere ha na ndị na-anụrụ nwa ha ntụrụ ha bịara ndị ọtụrụ ha bịara ha attack. Ndị na-anụrụ nwa ha ntụrụ ha bịara ha. That is the fact truth. Even though ịchọgide isu m na court, ịchọgide ime m arrest, the video nọ n'iru akwụkwọ. Facebook can never forget. Everything is being stored and to be remembered as memory. Even your fourth generation, when they come out, they are going to see it. Evidence in full grant. What is all this, my brothers? What is all this? Eli Hegabo our gay. Eli Hegabo no our gay. Ni alo so munegok. Osumo who no peaceful unto nde na bia. Osumo who the very very peaceful unto ndu dogachi we na bia. Now what oboto wakara no sumo. The ESN security is not there, not peaceful. On to do gachi where. Now what about ESN again? Okay, fella. And then only when he had a more wine. And they had a more wine in the even though not Nigeria security. Why not you use your brain? Knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Knowing fully well that these are your brothers. That you don't have to harm them. No matter and you got again harm one, but you use your sense, knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Do not harm them. They came for good for you. If you don't need a for faith, you need to go the salary or the bago. Then use your brain, knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Your brothers, or we had them. So you don't even know that what you might say that in here, Nigeria government, in here menabo. In actually menabo, na ha the first war. Now, can you use us to fight against us in order to reduce our numbers? Then, why for the little? How does it? And don't always not do gachi na ndeba unu busigodi nde ESN mu na ga emenwunye man unu busigodi had it been that unu survive shoko ha busie ha. Do you know that Nigeria government na ha ga biazi against you people because you people are still Igbos. Ha masi no kabukwa ndi Igbo. Do you know that they will not come to Islamize your country? They will not come to take your land in full. Do you know what do you know that you will later turn to their enemy? Do you know that you will later become their enemy? Do you know that they will later take away that gun hanging from you as an Igbo person? And now they will now launch their Fulanis to replace this very position you were now. Do you know that they are using you as an instrument to reduce the number of your people in order for them to now bring the real soldiers of which they work with and them to collect the weapon from you and then enslave you in your own land? Don't you know that is what they are doing? Instead of calculate your forma, see that these people are coming with different tactics, different senses and different ways in order to get us down, the Igbo race, in order to bring the Igbo race into conclusion, into an end. Yet Inenya had the chance. And I offer Gego in our Malay angry. He may escape of poverty. If you escape the poverty now, what will your generation suffer? What will your generation gain? Are you creating a good legacy that your generation will be remembered with? Or are you creating a legacy that your generation will be remembered as somebody that their fathers betrayed the Biafra struggle? Attack when that was like if you see, that none of you are happy about it. Knowing fully well that these are your brothers, against themselves. Oh, you said now by Yamri. Nandiru Aji, Aluso Wanyok. Hana, nothing will happen to you. 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 Then it was in Gahiti. Oh God. Chineke na mere anya ebere. Chukwu okike abịa ma mere anya ebere. Ndị Igbo biko. Gee ntị n'ihe m na-ekwu. Ndị chọrọ use anyị against ourselves. Ndị chọrọ iji turn anyị against ourselves. Ka anyị reduce our number. Since they could not achieve that, it reduce our numbers through hunger. The whole economic crisis in Nigeria on our day times 2 na Igbo na Eastern region. Imama, ask yourself this question. Igbo na Tinubu, Okay, safe. Don't you know that he's going to revenge? He's going to avenge. Oimado. Okomere na voice note. Olikie. Ezoshaya. Kagre matono ya kuri, but here we secret discussion yana one-on-one opera. Yana one-on-one share. I take everything slightly and commonly until all this serious. What is all this? Ndị Igbo biko no ka iketa n'ọra. Ndị Igbo, ndị lekwe ha na-egara n'ọnụ ụzọ ha na-ego already. Ha na-ego n'ọnụ ụzọ ha na-ego already. Lekwe ihe ọfọrọ. Lekwe ihe ọfọrọ. Chinehu na-create more securities. Chinehu. Here now the destiny. Look at how these people are now trying to shape the destiny of Igbo youth. To kill themselves, to reduce them in number. First of all, have say that they want Igbo youth to join the Nigeria force. So that Igana Sambisa and Igana Ilusunde Fulanisa or Hashirin Dibo Shija. Always also Naga Hashirin Dibo. Come I get this on a war front. How you Naga? Can you do so their number? How would that attempt? For that MWM agree to that thing. Can you use that attempt for that MWM agree to that thing? Now, heavy doses use our local government chairmans, use our all this in on their position of government. He create these securities, nobody. Why are they secreting this? Why are they creating those securities? In order to reduce our numbers, to fight ourselves, to kill ourselves. If you let the purpose they create these securities. If you let the purpose. All for ESN to destroy ESN, nothing more. And when people say no gap, how to destroy ESN? How create a quaggy, key fight one dead bandit. Oh, I say, then no good at the bandit, make operate in a social community. They'll never tell you to go. Listen to it in according to Komua.
Yes, today being June 26, being Friday, that the entire youth of Amandoba and the squad of Isu, I got more here. Ima Kishon and Bodayo Amandoba deserve because when somebody deserve now, on land the fun and in or Kariala. So that being June 26, being Friday, kind of move. So a couple of onion, Yana son of I go for the Swayke in a better, the Swayke, Cobbly came, Swayke. They can't have pizza, you know, but I want one money more colors, or they got happy and a half. When I belong to Buzzo, more colors, let's go. Namandu Swaha, Brumo Maro. Everybody home. Tuele nunu na agani me push to fulani shirole batana push uswahun ye wori yunu ne sukweni ani meka ho ne sukweni ani meke njin tunia oles na me emu gwara mia njin tunia na enwere onye na asi na di tinye kamp e di atunde fulani mmadụ 40 years mụ na-ekwu ya ka nwoke ugobana kwuru na mmadụ 40 years ekwefuru ihe a mere n'Ọsụ
ọkwefuru hey ndị Igbo biko nụ ndị Igbo ọgbọgụ nọ n'akịrịka agwọ nọ n'akịrịka ọgbọgụ dị tight. I want ndị na-adịghị age the followers and the fans of this very idiot udele. I want ndị na-adịghị age ntị. Now this security is an creative in our communities. I want to ask you people question. Let the purpose now. Let the purpose now. Why? No delega put a coin to when I focus that their main purpose is create yourself. I brought it to fight the bandit. Come on to fight your own fellow brothers. To reduce the number of Igbo youths. Because they know that the action of Gobia na live or when they or their own work. These people want to reduce our numbers. These stupid people. Money here. Obviously, no delegate put an issue. The youth of a community, but there are four more securities. Even how hunters have form themselves to represent as securities. It protect their own community, their forest. With the lapita here, Abraham. Now how form any group. If I did the bandit, now what is the fate? What is the purpose? He created one. I forgot the real truth. He created one. We reduce numbers. Oppose itself when Hamas that you people cannot defeat the ESN. Come on, the ESN, Hamas, how powerful the ESN is. And the Hamas that when they turn you people against ESN, the ESN are going to terminate you people. You people are the target, not ESN. These people, they know that the comment, they know that they cannot, even you people cannot fight the ESN, but the ESN will destroy you people. And who are the ESN destroying? You people are brothers. You people are brothers. That is what they are doing. They know that you people cannot destroy ESN. Now they want the ESN because of how powerful they are for them to turn against you people with anger. because you people have rebelled against them. What are you people? Why can't you use your sense? Why can't you use a common sense? A common sense. A common sense. Why not use a common sense? Open John had the secret join. I want you to trade wisely. Man, say that these people don't care about your life. Man, say don't fight your brother for you. To destroy you, to kill you is the target. Ibugi with the target. Don't lose guard. Be very, very careful. Public safety and your own personal safety is important. Be very careful. Great security great trainer joining here with their plan for you. You are the target though. Because they know already you cannot stop the ESN. You are the target. I'm going with the target. Because so it's your people that will now went to join the ESN. Now the people now join the ESN. That is the reason why they want to use you people against the ESN, so that the ESN will not come against you people. Have you seen it? Have you seen the draft and the plan? And they know that even the ESN need more youth. And now the youth of which are supposed to join the ESN are now staying. They have not attempted to join yet. Now they have created you people in order to rebel against the ESN, so that the ESN, already they know that the ESN rules is that never you turn against them. No matter you are their brother or not, don't turn against them. Because when you turn against them, you are a victim. So they now create you people on time. They now make that move on time to create you people to rebel against the ESN, so that the ESN will now come against you people. The area who not been in that government and in their France, the teacher you go. The teacher then because you allowed yourself to be used as a dangerous weapon to your own people. Why can't you just use a common sense? This video is long, but I know the reason why OJ did wrong. The reason why this video did it too long now. I believe you know why. And the back one. I wish now and the back one selling her game and the buy go in the buy letter. And the base with aqua. Then if you want to buy her game, go in the buy letter. And actually himself came when I gave, I showed himself came when I game out, come and go in the buy letter. Eliha game in the buy. What shall we do? Eliha game. I got corner for this. Oh, Martin, you want to make the right. But then you go from Guarono, go near. Let's see what will happen. Now, these people are now trying to shape how much go to Igbo mama when it comes to make wealth, achieving wealth. How much that Igbos are well known by achieving wealth. Then make the wealth achieved already. And now they don't want others to rise again. Now they are trying to shape our destiny, our career as a common securities. As a common securities. These people are with opportunities, employ as government officials. I mean, as government, like apply in the government companies. These people will any opportunities, job opportunities. These people will any, even if it is scholarship opportunities, even if it is good economy, even if it is at least any job at all, any means to make money to survive out their living. These people will these people now are trying to shape our destiny and our career as to a common village security. Not even army general, not even police general, not even head of, but a common village securities. Let the opportunities over their own. Vroom, 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 vroom. Is only a one person, a very wise person. It out of here it can be, it may be only one wise person. Multitude may be jumping into that hole of death, calling it an opportunity. But it's only one person. I believe that only one person is going to make a turn and rethink. I believe that only one person out of these hundreds now joining these securities, one person is going to make a turn and a rethink. I'm not even expecting all of you to make a turn. But if you know what is good to you, do. If you know what is good to you, if you think that what you are doing is good for you, but don't ever engage it that is you are doing it for the good of Biafrans. You are not doing it for the good, you are doing it for your own selfish personal interest. And if you believe that in not right, you are doing it for the good of the Biafrans. God no for go if you succeed it. Then you must see him made the right. So okay, and the Bushina can Shuko Kabia, Moya you can know back. Only one in a sopro. Only her creke, only Hello Creken, Pusia, when any has to go to. If you can then so one at Wibu. Obogebo to Mopondin Sojamono, Obogebo, Dike, Nadim Panaga, Obogi Benjamin Karalama Kara, Obogebo Malita Nobugo, ọ bụ gị bụ the god of impossibility specialist, ọ bụ gị bụ onye na-eme ihe siri ka ọ dị mfe, ọ bụ gị bụ nsọ kpọrọ ihe pụtara mma, ọ bụ gị mara mbido na njedebe nke ụwa ebi ebi nke ndị nsọ, onye na-akpọkọ ụtụtụ ehihie abalị, onye na-akwara ndị ya ụzọ, onye na-ekwuru anyị ọnụ, onye na-alụrụ anyị ọgụ. Ike dị n'ala Igbo, ike nke ụwa, ọ bụ gị bụ ikuku, ọ bụ gị bụ ndụ, ọ bụ gị bụ ọnwụ, ọ bụ gị bụ ihe dị mma, ọ bụ gị bụ ụtụtụ ehihie abalị, ọ bụ gị kere n'igwe, ọ bụ gị kere n'ụwa, ọ dịghị chi na-amara gị aka. Nna anyị marara obodo anyị ya wee na-efe gị n'aka, ndị ụmụnna anyị wee na-efe gị n'aka, wee na-asị gị ebube nke ndị nsọ, gbadata, take control, gbadata, were ọnọdụ gị, were aka gị tụziere anyị Chineke nna, tụziere anyị onye ime eluigwe. Nna biko tụzie, nna biko tụziere anyị Chineke nna, tụziere anyị ebube eluigwe, tụziere anyị nna biko, tụziere anyị elu ala gasawo. Gbadata, were aka gị shia, gbadata, were aka gị were ọnọdụ, were aka gị gozie, were aka gị tụzie nna biko, ana ayọ gị, were aka gị chekwawa anyị, were aka gị kwere anyị, gbara anyị ọgụ. Nna biko, ọ bụ gị hibere ala Igbo, ọ bụ gị mara njem anyị niile, ọ bụ gị ga-ama echi anyị. Nna, ọ bụ gị mara nkwa gị niile na ngozi gị niile, wee na-asị ka ngwa gị wee bịa na mpụta ihe. Nna biko, onye isi nke eji na mkpọrọ dadi, anyị na-ayọ gị nnapụta gị, anyị na-ayọ gị udo gị, anyị na-ayọ gị ezi nchekwa gị n'isi ya, anyị na-ayọ gị ezi mgbapụta gị n'isi ya, na ndị niile dadi ndị lụzugoro ndụ ha dị otu ije a, anyị na-ayọ gị ka idosa mkpụrụ obi ha na nchekwa. Ndị dị ndụ dadi n'obodo a, anyị na-asị gị na biko napụta anyị n'aka ndị iro anyị. Ekwesịrị ka ndị iro anyị were anyị wee na-aṅụrụ mmiri, na ekwesịrị ka ndị iro anyị were anyị wee mere ọmbrela anyị ji echere mmiri. Nna biko, nye anyị uche, nye anyị ezi uche, tụta anyị n'ụra, tụta anyị n'ụra uche ọbụla nke na-ehi ụra n'ime anyị. Na biko, tụta anyị Chineke, anyị mara ihe dị mma, ka anyị mara ihe kwadoro anyị, ka anyị mara ihe anyị na-achọ, ka anyị mara ebe anyị na-eje, ka anyị mara okwu ọnụ anyị wee mara ije anyị niile, na ka anyị mara ife anyị na-afụ, mara ihe anyị na-eche. Obinigwe nke ala Igbo, onye ike niile dị n'ọba aka ya, isi iyi nke ndụ. Nna, emere aha na-etu ka aha na-etu gị bụ atụrụ na-atọgbu ịnyịnya, ebube mbekumbe. Nna biko, gbadata, agara m ụwa nyefe gị na ka ọ bụ na mbata echekwa anyị, ma mee dadi na biko, ka anya mmiri nderi nke anyị na-ebe gbasara ala ya. Nna, ka ọ bịa dajụọ, nna, ka ọ bịa dajụọ, ka ihe siri ike wee dị mfe, ka ị wetara anyị nwere onwe n'obodo a, ka ị tụgharịa obi anyị, tụzie obi anyị, tụgharịa obi anyị. Nna, tụgharịa obi anyị, ebe ọbụla nke agwụrụ ọgwụ, ebe ọbụla nke agwụrụ ọgwụ, Daddy, we possess the mind of our people to turn against their own people. Chineke nna, ọ dịghị ike ọbụla nke dị n'eluigwe, nke dị n'ụwa, nke dị na mmiri, nke dị n'ebe ọbụla dị iche iche, nke ga-eji amagara gị, n'ihi na ebelivu n'ike niile ji n'ọba aka gị. And ebe ọbụla nke ha gwụrụ ọgwụ, ebe ọbụla nke ha mere sham, any kọsụ ọbụla nke ji wee kọsụ ụmụnne anyị, ewe na-atọ ọnụsị against ourselves. Chineke nna, site n'ike mgbaba anọ nke ụwa ka ji wee na-ekwubi okwu na-eke ori afọ nkwụ wee na-asị n'ụbọchị nke taa, ana m asị ka ọ bụrụ ihe lara n'iyi, ka ọ bụrụ ihe dara mba n'ụbọchị nke taa, ekwubi omi owe kwubi okwu wesị otu a ka ọ ga-adị ụbọchị eke, ụbọchị ori, ụbọchị nkwụ, n'aha ndị elu na ndị ala, Chukwu kabịa ise. Peace be still, peace be still, peace be still. Ebe nke ndị nsọ, I commit everything. Anyị menyefe ihe niile n'ọba aka gị, wee na-asị gị were aka gị tụzie. Isi na ya bụla ọ bụ n'ọbọdịrị gị. Dadị, ụmụ Israel alụghị ọgụ bifo ha si n'ala Ijipt n'ụlọ ndị oru wepụta n'aka Fero. Dadị, anyị amadị alụ, anyị amadị ekwu, anyị amadị ihe. Biko, ọ bụ gị bụ uche anyị, ọ bụ gị bụ ike anyị, gbadata bịa napụta anyị. Elela anyị na mmehie anyị na-adịghị ike anyị niile, na-amaghị eme anyị niile. Dadị, anyị erughị eru. Biko, were aka gị bịa napụta anyị, were aka gị bịa tụziere anyị. Were aka gị bịa tụziere anyị Chineke nna, onye ọbụla nke ga-eche echiche ibilite imegide anyị n'ihi eziokwu nke anyị na-ekwu. Ana masị ihe ketala ụra, ana masị ihe ketala ụra ụtụtụ, esi ọbụla ọ ga-eche ya esi ahụ ka ọ ga-aga eketa ụra. Ihe ọjọọ anwa ikpuchi ihe ọma, ịtụ asị anwa ikpuchi eziokwu. And ihe dị mma ọwụ ihe ga-adịrịrị n'ala Igbo, ihe dị mma ọwụ ihe ga-emerịrị n'ala Igbo. Chineke na ya ekwubie wesị otu aka ọ ga-adị ụbọchị eke, ụbọchị ori, ụbọchị afọ, ụbọchị nkwọ, n'aha ndị elu na ndị ala, oke abịa ise. Oke ụmụnne m, anyị abịala na njedebe nke ụbọchị taa, wee na-asị ebe ọ bụla onye ga-aga taa, ya gaziere gị udo na ndụ.